Bon dia, or buenos dias, I should say. We are in a small town right outside of Barichara called Guane, and it was recommended to me since we're headed to Barichara to come here and check this small town. You all right, baby Jean? Come on. All right, buddy. It's okay. We wanted to check out this small pueblo. It's like 20 minutes away from Barichara. And right now we're at this church, which is a cemetery that's right behind the church overlooking this beautiful view. You can see it's amazing. As we were driving from Bucaramanga all the way here, it's about a 3-hour drive, maybe a little bit more with traffic. It's like only single lane roads that take you here. Tons of trucks, so it's hard to kind of get around them because you're driving through the mountains the whole time. So there's tons of twists and turns and curves. So it's hard to maneuver, but we finally got here. And we wanted to check out this small town first before we head to Barichara and spend most of the day there. And I'm wearing my Brazil jersey to support Brazil playing against Uruguay today at 8 o'clock. So hopefully we can make it back to Bucaramanga area before the game starts. And if we go a little further down this way, it says there's like an actual viewpoint. This road's a little bit rough, so to take it easy. But I wanted to get out of the car first because we ran into this church, and I saw they had this cemetery back here, and you can see the views. Looks amazing. And here we are at the viewpoint here. It's the restaurant, looks like back here. And then it's a small area where you can see the view. This is what I was saying before, like when I was driving, it looks like the hills of like Tuscany or someplace in Switzerland or something like that. And you have the river. I'm not sure if that's still a Chicamocha river or it's a different river or not. But yeah, it's just breathtaking. Wish I had my drone. Center part of town, a little small square. This is a very, very small pueblo. And we have like a church here, another church, aside from the one next to the cemetery. They have a sign, I love Guane. So it looks like we can get into the church. Let's check it out. Going to be it for Guane. I guess it's a very, very small pueblo. If you guys just type in Guane, G-U-A-N-E in Google Maps, you'll see it's like, you know, I don't know, maybe like 40 blocks, if that. It's very, very small. Probably less than that actually, but it's a very beautiful town nonetheless. I'm glad I made the extra trip to come out here. So now we're gonna head 20 minutes back to Barichara and tour that area for a little bit. And I have a few restaurants bookmarked as well. I want to get some caldo, some good soup with beef and vegetables. So I have a couple places that I have on my map that's all kind of close to each other. So we're gonna check that out. Hola, buenos días. ¿Somos tres? So we're at this local restaurant called La Avenida, and they're famous for their soups. So we're gonna probably try that and see what else they have on the menu, and then just walk around the area. So it's about 10 o'clock, and usually I'm not hungry this early, but I'm starving. I don't know if it's because of the drive and the time we woke up, but definitely ready to get some food. So let's order, and then we'll see what it is, how it is. So we have some beef soup here, and well, 2 beef soups and a rib. And we also ordered some lamb ribs, it's coming later, and fresh pineapple juice. I think the lamb comes with rice. So we had the lamb dish. It came with salad and rice. It was like lamb ribs. It kind of looks like the Brazilian faina that they put on a lot of their meats. Oh yeah, it looks good. I'll let you guys know how it is. So we just finished lunch. Everything was actually really, really good and very cheap. There was no prices on the menu, so I wasn't sure really what to expect. But it cost less than $15 to have a plate of lamb with rice and salad, 2 beef soups, big arepa, what else? A bottle of water. I had like a hot agua de panela, which is kind of like a sugarcane lemonade juice type of thing, and fresh pineapple juice. So all that for under 15 bucks. I was expecting a little bit more because it's such a touristy place, but very, very reasonable and very good. I highly recommend it. So now we're walking right to like the center, which is like a block down, and we're gonna check that out. And then there's also like a little bakery place that I saw that I wanted to, or Olivia wants to try as well. So here we are in the center square. There's like a park here in the middle, which is pretty typical. And then you have the church here is the main church. There's also another one we're going to check out that's a little further away as well. We got a better view of the Cathedral de Barichara, and it looks open, so we're going to walk in and take a look inside. Now we're just right across the street from the church of Barichara, into like a little park area here. There's a fountain and just like places you can just chill and sit and relax. So right across the street from the park, there's a place called Nuna's Bread, and they have like different types of desserts, juices, ice creams, things like that. Desserts basically, and like some light snacks would have hamburgers I see too as well. But here it is, Nuna's Bread, Tandoori Artisanal. Let's see. This is a thing. So Olivia got a red velvet cake. Jen has buñuelo, like it's kind of like a pie de queso, like bread cheese. And I had kind of like an apple dessert, like an apple pie kind of. And also got like a little lemon cake to go. But yeah, the food, dessert here is pretty good. Good recommendation. So we are at the Capilla de Santa Barbara. So it looks like this church is under construction. I'm not sure. Looks Looks like they have these like poles holding it up, and then they have this rope, this stuff around it so you can't go through. But it's also like people selling things. Let's see if we can try to take a look around. That's all blocked off from the side view as well. And if you just go left, the church is a Parque para las Artes Jorge Delgado Sierra. So let's take a look and see what that looks like over here. When you walk to the top part, I guess this is probably the parking side here, but you have really good viewpoints. So I figured we'd take a look at this first. Really amazing views. Let's check this out. Amazing. This is the Colombia they don't show. It's always Pablo Escobar or something negative. And this country has so much beauty and things to offer. And this is the famous viewpoint here. People take pictures. You can see the church from this hill. It's really beautiful. And here's the park, Artes Jorge Delgado. Let's take a look inside. So it looks like here they have like a place you can have like some live entertainment. It's a stage right here, place for people to come and sit. There's maybe certain times of the day or the week or the year they have certain type of stuff here, especially probably around the holidays. Look at this view from here. Except it turned out to be a lot hotter than we anticipated. I think originally we saw yesterday it was going to be around 74, but it feels a little bit hotter than that. Not complaining because yesterday was more colder and rained the entire day. So it kind of dampened our plans quite a bit, but I would take this over that any day, especially with the crystal clear views. Oh, this is great, look at this. Unobstructed. So we're done with Barichara for right now, so we're gonna head on the way back towards Bucaramanga, but on the way back there's another town called Curiti. So we're gonna stop there. It's about an hour, so I can kind of break up my 3-hour trip. So we're gonna stop there for a little bit, probably just go to the center of town, get some videos, and then head back. Hey guys, so we made it to our stop before we head back to Bucaramanga, which is called Curiti. It's a small little town, very small town, kind of like Guane. And it's about an hour away from Barichara and a couple hours away from Bucaramanga. So it's a very beautiful town as well, very colorful. This one feels more local than touristy, but still very nice. So many beautiful areas and pueblos around Colombia. I mean, you can never see them all, I feel. Let's see what they have here inside the park. And Jane, they have a park for kids here. Oh God. Oh no. This is a nice little park. It's like one of the best ones I've seen. This one actually has like a kids park inside and something for children to kind of do inside the square. Most places just have like, you know, benches and things you can sit and relax. I think there's also maybe a hotel or a restaurant over there next to the church. I feel like now the clouds are coming out. It's going to rain, at least on this side of town, so we won't be staying here too long. But since it was on the way, I felt like it was definitely worth checking out. I think I just stumbled across it when I was just looking at the Google Maps to see where we can kind of break up the trip, and this popped up. Here's a video of the church up close. Church is busy, or full I should say. It seems like there's a service going on of some sort. Or actually a funeral maybe. So we're gonna get back to the car. It's starting to rain a little bit harder now, and head back home. I hope you guys enjoyed the the Barichara video, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna have a lot of stuff coming up in Colombia, so yeah, stay tuned. See you guys.